for...
It's indeed a pleasure to be here. Children, if you don't understand what I'm going to say, your teachers will tell you. But I'll try to keep it very simple. And yes, it's been an honor here. It's really a surprise visit. Very short notice given to me as well. And I decided in the morning that I will make my way to Nandi to be here on this beautiful afternoon. For those of you who know, this is my hometown, and I am from Nandi. I completed my education at Malamala Public School till class 8, then moved to Ba to complete my further education. Anyways, the main purpose of our visit here is to bring some gifts, and for that we thank Ganesh from Reach Foundation, who's here, just arrived in the country this morning, and I will allow him time to speak about what he has brought. But before that, I also have some wonderful news for the school management, staff, and you children. But before I give you my news and allow Ganesh to add flavor to it this beautiful afternoon, I just have a simple message to the teachers. These little faces, these smiling faces, these innocent faces that we see sitting here, it is our job as adults to look after their welfare. And their welfare is something that my ministry keeps it to heart. We go around campaigning for the message that our children need to be protected, our children need to be loved, our children need to be cared for, instilled with good values and discipline so that they lead our country when our generation is gone. So these are very, very, very special members of our community. They should be loved and nurtured in a manner that paves a way forward for Fiji. And some years down the lane, they will be the leaders that the country is looking for. So the onus lies on us adults, as parents, as teachers, to ensure that we look after our children. And in school, we will say our children. It's neither Mr. Prasad's son or Mr. Tevita's daughter. As teachers, they're our children. I've been a teacher 25 years of my life. And I know the hardships, the challenges the teachers face. But because we have chosen, because you have chosen this profession, nobody has imposed this profession on you. So as a government, as a ministry responsible for looking after the welfare of the children, I plead with you this afternoon to ensure that no child is subjected to child abuse, no child is subjected to corporal punishment, and we do all within the means of the resources that we have with our professional capabilities to look after the children. Okay? I know it's time for the school to break off, but Head Teacher Sir, I'd love to be invited sometime later so that we can spend a lot of time with the children and the teachers. And to the children, I have a very simple question. Do you like your school?
Yes,
Are you happy in your school?
yes,
So will you cheer with me? 3 cheers for Nawaka District School. Hip hip! Hip! God bless you all. On that note, thank you very much. And Ganesh? Would you like me to give my gift first and then you present your gift? Okay, so to the teachers, the school management and the All Schools Association, I have a very small token for the development of the school, and I'm pleased to say that the ministry will contribute towards the air conditioning of your computer lab as soon as possible. For that we will contribute $7,000, which should be reaching your school in the next couple of weeks, and I hope that work will progress soon, and we will see that your lab is equipped for you. Thank you very much. Ganesh, on behalf of probably the head teacher and the children, allow me to say It's a big thank you, Vinaka Bakalavu, to you and your group for coming in here and showing your generosity. And children, if you don't listen, I'll take the jerseys. You want the jerseys? So can we say a big thank you, Vinaka? And we hope that you enjoy your stay here and have a productive conference. And we'll meet later because you can't talk when they are talking. So